G'day, Russell here. Welcome to another how-to video in this series. And in this video, we're going to look at how you can adjust the external mirrors in the XPENG G6. So there's a couple of ways to adjust the external mirrors in the XPENG G6. You can go into the settings, and under Drive, we can scroll down past all of these individual settings here, and we can keep going to this section here where it says steering wheel shortcut or external side mirrors. If we click on external side mirrors, we'll then get some of these options here. Now we can press the button here to unfold the mirrors, or this button here is a one-touch button to fold the mirrors in. Okay, so that will tuck them in nice and tight, and of course we can unfold them. Now to adjust them, we can use the scroll wheels here on the left and right side. Now on the left side of the steering wheel, we have the ability to raise the left side mirror, and we can lower the left side mirror by using the scroll wheel here. We can also push the mirror out by using the left arrow, or bring the mirror in closer by using the right arrow. Now of course the same applies to the right hand side mirror by using the scroll wheel and the arrows on the right side of the steering wheel. Now we've got some other options here as well. It says here that we can tilt down the left side mirror when reversing. Okay, that's fairly self-explanatory. You place the vehicle into reverse and the left mirror will angle down, essentially to help you see the lines in the parking bay. But of course we also have the 3D imaging that will display when we're reversing anyway. We get the same option. Let me just go back in there because we've disappeared. We get the same option with the right hand side, and we can also elect for the mirrors to fold in automatically after locking the vehicle, which makes sense to me, so I have that set. Alright, now there's another way you can access that. Whichever screen you're on here, you can just swipe down from the top to access the shortcuts, and here you'll see unfold and fold, but we'll also see the side mirror adjustments, which brings up this window again where we can utilize the steering wheel controls to make those same adjustments. Alright, well that's how you adjust your external mirrors on the XPENG G6. I hope that helps. I'll see you in the next video.